Hi there, this is Annelies for BrokerFish.com. Today I'm going to tell you the difference between travel insurance, local health insurance and international health insurance. So first I'll introduce you to a guy called Mark. He is a very thin man, nice curly hair, very smiley. Now Mark lives in the UK and every year he goes on holiday, and this year it's Spain, nice and sunny. Now he's going to be relaxing there, but also he wants to do some mountain biking and windsurfing, and he wants to make sure that if anything goes wrong, if he gets injured, that he is covered. So he's going to take out travel insurance, and that is for holiday, but it's for the short term, so it's trip specific, just for the 2 weeks that he's there. Now the rest of the time Mark lives in the UK, and anything could happen to him there, and he wants to make sure he's covered for that too. So he gets out local health insurance. Now this is for where he lives, so home, only there, but it's for the long term, so 12 months or more, and he can renew it when it runs out. The thing about these local policies is that you have to really read the small print. They do vary, and there's not as many benefits involved. Treatment could be private or public, and also it will be in a hospital near his home, so it's a little bit restrictive, but he doesn't mind because he's decided it rains too much in the UK and he is going to retire in South Africa. I'll just draw it here to keep everything in one place, but I know it's down there. He's going to have a lot of time on his hands when he's retired, and he'll still want to go and visit his family in the UK. He'll still want to go and see the world as well. So what does he do now with his health insurance? Well, he's going to get international health insurance. Now that is going to cover him worldwide. So anywhere that he is in the world, regardless of where he is, he'll be covered. And also for the long term. So now the good thing about this international health policy is he is actually has got a lot more benefits than he would with these two. For example, and this is a really important one, if he would move to South Africa and get just a local policy and get seriously ill and then recover, that policy would have covered that, that's fine. But if he then decides to go and move to another country and you know, say Japan, he might find that he's uninsurable then for his health, because he now carries this risk. If he had taken out an international health insurance policy, he would have a lifelong renewal option. So really, I say it's long term, but it really does future-proof your health insurance, which is very important. The other benefit that often comes with this policy is repatriation to the UK. So if he does get seriously ill and want to be treated on familiar soil near his family, that policy will cover that. And also, if he can't get treated in South Africa, he will be able to be evacuated to wherever he can receive treatment. So really, this is a huge policy. It's the daddy of all policies, really, when you're talking about health insurance. Now, the only thing you might be thinking now is, oh, it costs loads of money. It is actually a lot more affordable than you probably think. We're not talking break the bank figures here, so that's a positive. So now, thanks to Mark, you know the difference between travel insurance, local health insurance and international health insurance.